What's up, YouTube? Bay Area Transparency back here, so check it out. I was in the city of San Jose doing some audits, and I was going by the courthouse, and I ended up running into this group of people that were doing a little Facebook Live video. I kind of listened to what they said, and I could tell very fast that they were also freedom fighters and that they were having an issue with the deputies getting into the county courthouse. These deputies were tyrants, guys. They wanted to know everything about what you were doing at the courthouse, why you were there, how many steps you were going to take, so on and so forth. It was just ridiculous, guys. So these guys were having a problem. There was also some medical issues about wearing masks, and they had notes from their doctors. The deputies didn't want to hear not one bit. I even tried to talk to the deputies about why they didn't have their policy posted in their window. They did not want to hear us, guys. I'm in this video, but this is another man's video. Go follow him on Instagram, guys, at the David James Rodriguez. I'll put up the link. He also has a YouTube channel, guys, David James Rodriguez on YouTube. He is a freedom fighter, so are his friends, guys. There was a group of people with him. They were awesome people. Without further ado, let's check out the video, guys. Thanks.
Injustice, not justice, injustice. We're at Santa Clara County Superior Court, San Jose, California, and I was here at 9 o'clock to handle some court business. And as you'll see with the previous videos, they did not let us in here. So, I said I have a medical exemption. They did not respect that. They manhandled me out, grabbed me by the arm, and escorted me. And then they said you can't video record in a public building. So, unfortunately, these law enforcers don't know the law, which they swore an oath to. And so I'm going to try one more time. I probably missed the whole entire court morning, the date this morning. And I'm going to wear a slave mask for their violation of my Constitution protected rights. Natural rights come from God, not from government. And so let's go see what happens when I put the slave mask on and follow along with all their BS that they said that I wasn't, that prevented me. And we even pointed out how the county order allows for medical exemptions, and they don't care about the law. This is what's so crazy about what's happening, is that if you don't stand up for your rights, you get trampled on. And so this whole thing, you with me?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a First Amendment auditor. I'm actually coming to audit this building right
Oh, let's do it. Let's go. Oh, brother.
I just did the Juvenile Justice Center right now.
Let's go.
He was.
What I'm looking for actually is
If you want to come in, we can talk to you.
Yeah, what's up?
well, I'm going to record. Do you want me to record in there?
No.
Okay.
We're not going to have a conversation then.
No. You have to have a conversation.
Do it, man.
That's the thing.
Go.
That's the. Excuse me. I need to talk to you, you fucking tyrant. Hey! Hey, I have questions for you guys. Why you're not following your policy? Can I see your policy on recording? And how come it's not posted? It's not posted.
Do you have court today?
This paper right here is on that.
Do you have court today?
What was that?
Do you have
I'm not gonna answer your questions. Quit asking them to me. I asked you the questions. Fuckface, check it out.
Can you remember your foot
Hey, do you have this posted up? Are you a
It is posted
supervisor?
over here.
Where's
No,
your
no.
supervisor? Where's your supervisor? Get your supervisor.
Yep, keep going,
These
brother.
guys are trash.
Absolutely. Dude, they blocked us from going to court.
Did you just see how they wouldn't let her use the restroom? Did you see how they were like manhandling the door?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's what I'm
Get me, man. Get me. I'm about to go in. I was going to do a live for you. I'm about to go in. I told these guys I don't wear a slave mask. Watch this. Let's see what they do with me. Nobody wants to get arrested. You understand? We're doing this because I've tried to get to court and they blocked us. You have a natural right to be in a public building funded by taxpayer dollars, dude. Do you guys understand? This doesn't belong to the people. It belongs to these thugs. So what's going on? Look, we just happened to run into a First Amendment. How awesome is that? You know why? Because freedom is rising. People are tired of being brutalized by these guys. So listen what happens if I comply. Look at that guy right there.
Do you have court today?
Yes, I do.
Chris, can you tell us what department you're going to go in?
I don't know because I have to go find myself.
Okay. You can go check if you have court today, but you have to wear your mask and you can't record.
I said 2 hours ago I would do that, and I've probably missed my court date because of you guys.
You haven't followed any of our directions, so that's why you...
Oh, I got video footage of it all.
Okay.
Okay. If you would like to come in to check the docket to see that if your name is on court today, then you can, but you have to wear a mask. You can't record.
I said I would do that at 9 o'clock this
Okay.
morning.
You're welcome to come and do that right now if you'd like.
I'm going to do that.
Okay, so then you gotta stop.
But you're the only person who's allowed to come in, okay?
No, this is part of my legal team.
All the attorneys,
It's none of your business.
you're the only person allowed to come in to check the docket.
Am I an attorney?
I don't know.
Doesn't matter.
We're not going to argue. We told you the rules. If you want to come in and check the docket to see if your name is on the court schedule, you can do that. You have to wear a mask and you cannot record. You're the only person allowed to do that. If you do have court, then you can come and go to court. If you have an attorney, then you can bring your attorney.
And those are the rules. Once again.
Is that the law?
Court order. Court order.
Is that a law?
Okay.
So you're saying
So once
that
again, we're
you're
not
saying
having a discussion again. We're not having the discussion.
oh, we're not having a discussion. After I've missed my court date, we're not having a
We're
discussion.
not having a discussion again. Thank you.
Okay, so
Are you coming in?
I am going to come in,
Okay.
but I'd like to document this for the internet.
You cannot. It's against the law to record this in the courthouse.
What law?
It's a statewide
What law? Name the law. Name the law.
Posted on the wall over here.
Name it.
It's over there on the wall. You can actually walk over there.
Why don't you show it to me? You guys swore an oath to the
Our
Constitution,
job
First
is
Amendment,
to
First
maintain
Amendment,
security in the
protection of
courthouse.
freedom of press.
That's it.
What's your job?
Our job is maintain security in the courthouse.
Do you see me as a security threat?
Do you want to come in live? Yeah. Can you step aside, please?
Sorry.
So do we.
So do you
Are you
view
coming in
us?
for court? You guys have court?
If you have your,
No. Okay.
you guys here for court?
Yeah. Come on in.
Yeah, come on, you guys.
Hey, let me get name and badge numbers for all you
We already
guys.
provided it.
You didn't provide it to me.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm not with these
2231.
people. What was it?
Ride 2368?
And you is 2231. What's your name?
2392.
Huh?
What's your name?
My name's Master. Call me
Master?
Master.
Master.
Okay, that's polite.
Thank you. I love it.
Okay.
All right, guys. Hey, post this up. I don't see it. I just
What's the law? What's the law? How about the First Amendment?
Listen, you are disrupting the court. Okay. You need to step out.
You are the one who made me miss my court date.
You need to come in and go check the docket, or you need to leave. You're blocking the door. You're causing a problem.
Oh,
Okay.
who's coming?
You've been blocking the door since 9 o'clock this morning.
My job to block the door. Okay.
Your job is to serve and protect.
Your job is to work with them.
So what is the law? What is the law that says I can't record in here? What is the law?
It's a statewide order.
It's on the door.
An order's not the law. Do you
You're
understand?
going to step back and let me close the door, or you're going to come in and do your business. But you're not going to stand here and argue with me. It's ridiculous.
Maybe you shouldn't have made me miss my court this morning 2 hours ago.
You're a grown man. It's your own responsibility.
You grabbed my hand on video. Do you understand?
Come on. I'm closing the door. We're not going to argue. We're not going to argue.
We're done with the
Sit back.
conversation.
We're done. You either come in or you leave. You're not standing in the door.
You can't quote the law that says I can't
It's
record
not
in
my
there.
job to the law for you right now.
Aren't you a law
I'm
enforcer?
closing the door because you're blocking the door. Can you step back? I'm going to use my hand to ask to push you back.
Oh, let's do another lawsuit.
It's not a lawsuit.
Let's do another lawsuit.
You're
Come
blocking
on.
the doorway.
Let's go. I got
You're
all this on
blocking the
video.
doorway.
So
I'm not blocking the doorway.
Your foot's blocking the doorway.
You're blocking the doorway. I'm trying to proceed.
I'm not going to.
you want it? Then come here.
Then come on inside.
Okay, let's go.
Stop recording.
Okay.
Or get out.
Okay.
We already discussed this.
Okay. I
Put
stopped
the
recording.
mask on. You're not. You're still recording. Put the phone away. You're still recording. I see myself.
Yeah, because you guys are gonna violate me, dude.
We're not going to do this thing. You're blocking the door. Come on, back up.
Now it's touching me.
This
Now
is
it's touching me. Now it's touching
I
me.
am touching you. Okay, it's a lawful touching. Thank you very much.
It's a lawful touch.
It is lawful touching. I don't think you know the
There's no
difference
such
between
thing as lawful touching.
Okay, this is not going to go well for anybody here at all, even me. I don't want to do this.
Especially you.
So stop being a tyrant and follow your oath. The
Especially
Constitution. Do you understand?
you. Especially you guys. That's right.
You guys are supposed to be servants. That's why he call him master. Because he understands natural rights.
I didn't even want to say that to these officers, guys, but they're acting like such pricks. I had to let them know who was boss.
Do you not have any morals?
There you go.
Yeah, dude.
Your
Like, where's your
people are
integrity,
so
guys?
Disappointed.
You guys can hold this open if you want.
Man, you guys are just unbelievable.
See, these are taxpayer dollars that are funding you guys. Don't you understand?
You work for us.
Who do you work for? Who do you work for?
I don't think they know.
Do you know the money that goes into your salary tomorrow comes from people like us who give you pennies, taxes that add up? And there's other people who actually produce value in the marketplace that's not based on coercion. And I know there's a lot of nice guys in the force, and that might be some of you guys when you wear regular clothes. But when you put that uniform on, you get this power trip. And now you're gonna grab people's arms. You're gonna push women out. When the order says an exemption is allowed, and we showed it to you and we showed it to the other dude, I don't wanna see it. You know why? Because you guys aren't concerned with the truth. You aren't concerned with morality, peace, and love. You're concerned with power. You listen to me. I'm in charge.
Like that, guys.
Don't you know there's something called the internet
You're on the
right now?
wrong side of
And you guys are
history.
live streaming right now, and we're gonna post other videos? Why are you doing this to yourself? I'm sure you have probably family and friends who care about you.
But you wouldn't like if somebody pushed your daughters or your mother around like that. Yeah, you wouldn't like that, huh? These
The
guys should
First
be ashamed.
Amendment is the freedom of press. So I'm gonna talk with your press person, and I'm gonna find out if there really is a no recording law in here, a policy. How ridiculous is it that you guys are funded by the tax dollars, sworn oath to the Constitution, the Bill of Rights is the First Amendment, not number 2, not number 2, number 1. And you say no recording. Why?
Because they don't have a full. I don't think.
Where's the evidence? Where's the law that says we can't record in here? I guess I'll take a look at it, but it's ridiculous that we have to expose your criminality this morning, guys. We were all here peaceful, representing a medical exemption that we have doctor's notes. That's harmful to put this slave mask on. It's called carbon dioxide. Would you put your mouth on the end of a tailpipe of a car? It's called exhaust. Oxygen cures cancer. Oxygen puts alkalinity into your blood. Wim Hof demonstrated this. It's so sad, you guys. I have friends that are sheriffs and cops, but they live in a small town, and so they're not tyrants and thugs like you.
I could be in here if I don't have court. Fuck off. I ain't
We've already
recording.
gave
I'm
instructions,
trying to
okay?
talk to you guys.
We're not going to do this. We're not going to have this conversation, okay?
You're gonna listen is what you're gonna do. Check it out. This is supposed to be
We
posted.
gave you a legal order, okay?
What's the law for order?
Look, if you don't have business in this courthouse, we've already explained
I'm
this
coming
is
to get
public
public
building.
records. Is that business
And
enough?
we will, you
Okay,
are,
then be quiet and let me do my thing. Okay, check it
What
out.
you're doing right now is
Posting. I'm just trying to show you guys. This is supposed to be posted. This is why
If
these
you want to go
people
to the
don't
clerk's
know.
office, you can go to the clerk's office, but you can't stand
Look
right
at-
here and do this right now. You have to
I
go to the metal
can't
detector.
stand
He can
right
take
here.
all the time he wants.
I can stand here. I can stand there. I can stand. Who am I holding up?
So do you want to clear the metal detector and go to record?
Nobody behind.
I'm okay with
you're perfectly okay to put all your stuff in the box.
Why are you guys being so ignorant?
These
I'm trying
tyrants.
to show you guys something.
Don't you know the
Look,
law?
This is on you guys. Look, the order shall be posted at each public entrance.
Look, you don't
that's
care
all I'm
about the
trying to
law.
show you.
You don't care about the law.
Look, can you just
Law
read it?
enforcement don't
The
care
order
about the
shall
law.
be posted at each public entrance to a courthouse by the deputies. It's not posted, guys. That's why they don't know they can't record. Post this up and you're legit. I'm trying to highlight good officers. I'm looking for good officers. But you guys act like trash. Look at you guys.
Yeah,
Take
you're not
the
one of
badge,
them.
take the gun. Coward, coward, coward. I see it in your face. Don't act tough because you have a gun and a badge. Post this shit up and you're legit. And then you have a right to tell people they can't fucking come in. All right? Now can I go get my shit? Bay Area transparency and I'm out, guys.
Right, good work.
Peace. Send you lots of love,
All
brother.
right, so let's see what happens now. They say I can't go in there with a video recorder, so I have to end this live. So let's go see. It's already, what, 11:30? Missed the freaking court date, but hey, we got a nice little exposure to your local constitutional violators. They're supposed to be protectors. It's an upside down world, my friends. You have a right to be on the earth. You have a right to breathe oxygen. You don't need permission to travel. You don't need permission for these things. Are you going to stand up for your freedoms? Because me and my friends are. We're trying our best. We're not perfect. You know, sometimes I get too irate and upset with these guys, but I realize they're humans, and I realize they got, you know, money to earn and food to put on the table for their families. But at what point does freedom become the highest quality that you desire in life? At what point do you realize that this is no longer a game after 7 months of this? This is going to continue until we stop it. Do you understand? This is not going away. The Gates Foundation and the thugs behind the Rockefeller lockstep, they have a whole plan. Event 201, my friends, this is not some made-up scheme that I'm just pulling out of my ear, okay? There's a real agenda to enslave you and your kids and your family, and they're going to do it through the implantable biochip. I just found out that they have a COVID test that's implantable that they can put inside you for your own safety, of course. So anyways, I'm getting riled up. I'm going to go see if I can actually join and see what's going on with court, but I probably missed it. Anyway, say thanks for joining us today on the Freedom Lovers Show. We're building a voluntary world, one relationship at a time.